Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a Citibank account online for checking, savings, or both, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit citibank.com or online.citibank.com, the official Citibank website. Step 2. Click on Open an Account or Banking in the main navigation menu. Step 3. Browse through Citibank's checking and savings account options to select the one that meets your financial needs. Step 4. Click Apply Now on your chosen account type to start the online application process. Step 5. Enter your personal information including full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and current address. Step 6. Provide your contact information including a valid email address and phone number. Step 7. Select your initial deposit amount and choose how you'll fund your new account. Step 8. Review Citibank's terms and conditions, privacy policy, and account fee schedule. Step 9. Submit your application for review. Once approved, you'll receive your account number and can set up online banking credentials. Enroll in mobile banking, order your debit card, and start managing your account immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.